In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet 3050 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, please navigate to the search bar and type for HP LaserJet 3050 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and then that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you would be navigated to a new page where you can get to see the printer driver, which is the HP LaserJet 3050 and all-in-one printer. So here it will select your it will detect your operating system, which is Windows 11. If not in your case, go with choose a different OS. And here in this drop-down menu, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once done, you need to select the drivers below. Okay, so just have to select here and go with this driver universal print driver and choose any of this. So here you can click on this download aligning to it, and that way you can start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Click on it, and there you can see the downloaded file or the zip file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So here in this window, you need to make a right click while selecting it, and you need to click on the cat icon to copy it. Once you have copied it, you need to close this window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste to move that here to the desktop. Once you have successfully moved that to the desktop, you need to extract this one. So make a right click here and go with extract all, or either use your WinRAR tool to extract this one. So scroll down and go with WinRAR and go with extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Kindly wait first until it would be ready for you before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once everything has been shown here at the settings, please proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Once you've opened it, please locate for printers and scanners. Click on this one. Once you've clicked on it, there you can see an option called Add Device. Click on this and kindly wait until you would be able to get or reveal another option where you can find a printer by other options. So go with add manually and kindly wait until you'll get to see a new window that would appear here in our screen. Once it's here, go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next button here. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So go with the next button, go with have disk, and click on the browse. And from that, please proceed to the net. Scroll down and there you can see your extracted file. Please double tap and select any of the driver here. Click on the open button and click on the OK. And wait until you would be able to see our printer driver. So go with this. Click on the next button and rename that into HP LG space 3050. It is HP, LG, or LaserJet 3050. So once you're good, click on the next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once you're done, click on the next button and go with finish, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3050 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.